Hey, what's going on, Freak family? Emily and Dakota here again. Emily, what are we making?
We're making vanilla protein pancakes.
Yes, vanilla protein pancakes. I see a lot of posts online from people who show off their pancakes, but I often don't see how they make them. So we're going to show you. It's pretty simple, actually. Also, I've met a lot of people that don't really care for oatmeal. Believe it or not, I love oatmeal. But this is a kind of a great way to get your oatmeal and your protein in all at the same time. Okay, let's show you. So you're going to need a couple of things. You're going to need your favorite flavored protein. We're going to use vanilla today, and I'm using Body Fortress's Isolate. So I'm also going to use oatmeal. You're going to need 2 eggs. We're going to use just the whites. And of course, you're going to need your favorite mixture. I like to use the Magic Bullet. Okay, so let's start with 1 scoop of your favorite protein. Stick it in your little cup. You're going to need a 1/4 cup of oatmeal. Got my measuring scoop. Got your 2 eggs. So we're going to take out just the egg whites. In case you've never done this before, it's pretty simple. You just come on over. You're going to crack your eggs into 2 halves. Just like so. I usually do it right over whatever it is I'm trying to mix. Let the white drip in. Pull the yolk back. Just keep on doing it, just like this. Until you have nothing but egg yolk. Get rid of that bad boy. You're going to do it again. We need 2. Okay. Sometimes you mess up like I did here. So, I dropped my yolk in. So, we got to fix that, right? Let's get the yolk out. Awesome. Just like that. And we've got our 2 egg whites. Now you're going to need a 1/4 cup of water. Pretty simple. And then you're just going to put your top on. And this makes 1 decent sized pancake. Okay, so now this mixture is really thick. So because of that, I usually take it out, shake it up a little bit. Gotta have to do that a couple times because it's just so thick. Awesome, one more time. Okay, once you're done, you should have a nice mixture of protein. Pancakes. Pretty simple, right? All right, now we're going to go over to our pan. Get this bad boy ready to go. Let that heat up a little bit. Use my little spatula. I don't like to waste any. Now we're just going to let that sucker cook up, flip it a couple times, and it's going to come out on the other end. Okay, so also with protein pancakes goes very well egg whites, scrambled egg whites. So we've got about 8 scrambled egg whites in here, not a lot, but enough to kind of add to my pancake. Got Haley in here mixing them up for us. I like to have some sort of seasoning with it, so I've tried different variations of Flavor God. It works really well. Tastes great. This is lemon and garlic. Thanks, Ruby. And you scramble them up and serve. And breakfast is ready. I got my protein pancake, my 8 egg whites, and I got 6 ounces of chicken that I made in the crock pot yesterday. Tall glass of water. I'm ready to go. Have a good day.